Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on withdrawing from your IQ option account using the Tether TRC20 method. First, click on the withdrawal option. In the withdrawal funds section, it shows our total balance, and we select the amount we want to withdraw. Next, we choose Tether TRC20 from the cryptocurrencies section and enter our wallet address. Please note that the minimum withdrawal amount from your account balance is $50, and you need to have a transaction volume 3 times the deposited amount after making a deposit. Then you can withdraw the amount and profit you earned, provided that the mentioned conditions, meaning having a transaction volume 3 times the deposited amount, are met. The total amount minus the bonus, minus a 20% commission. In this section, we enter our wallet address and click on the Continue option. As you can see on this page, if you have a transaction volume 3 times the deposited amount, our withdrawal will be processed with a commission percentage. However, currently, we have to pay a 20% commission after clicking the option. We need to enter the verification code from the email in this section. After correctly entering the code, our withdrawal operation will be successfully completed. In the transaction history section, you can view the status of your withdrawal. Our withdrawal request has been successfully processed, and when the withdrawal is complete, the status will change from pending to complete or accepted. After about 24 hours, as you can see on the page, our withdrawal status changed from pending to accepted. You can see this balance in your wallet. In future tutorials, we will accompany you with withdrawals and deposits of other types of currencies. Wishing you success and profitability.